Alright, YouTube. Got an unboxing and an install today. I got two things, well, a few things here. Placed a couple of orders. I got a package from Ergo, and I got a package from Hogue themselves. Ergo. Let's open up the Ergo. Got my carbine stock wrench, which I'm really going to need to install this. Got my Ergo Remington 870 adapter. Got my Ergo Mil-Spec aluminum buffer tube. And then I got my Ergo castle nut. Awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, instructions. Now let's open up the Hogue. So I guess Ergo is from New Mexico. The Hogue is in San Diego. That's good to know. Both of them close to me. I'm in Arizona. Took 3 days from order to get them shipped here. Oh, look at that. 6-position collapsible. Oops. Wait, is that right? Yeah. With a Hogue grip. Beautimous. So, I got these AR parts to put on my shotgun. This is my Remington Express Tactical. It's a 6+1. It's in 20 gauge. And as soon as I got it, I put on this the Raptor Grip, and I got a mount from Amazon for my TLR1. I like it a lot. We're unloaded. Okay. So, foist things foist. Let's take off the grip. Okay, so I'm going to remove the Raptor grip first. Got a little flathead screwdriver. We're going to stick it in the back end here. This is a long one. The plug is longer than my first one. Oh my gosh, I sure hope I can get that out nicely without damaging anything. Let's see. Here it comes. Do not mess up that edge around there. So now we can get into there. Let's see, is it going to be this one? Oh, lucky me. Got a Packmeyer grip sleeve on there. I like the rubber. I'm a Hogue fan. I got a little dog here.
What's up? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, chill. Let me do this. Relax. I get it. Don't start with me. What, baby? Okay. And then I'm going to take off the Mesa Tactical adapter. It's a 20 to 12 gauge adapter. Their Lucy adapter. Okay. I got our Ergo Remington 870 adapter, compatible with the TAC 14. Now we're going to see how good this thing goes, because this is a polymer adapter. And I'm really hoping that she's going to hold up. Got a few things going on here. Some different hardwares. Okay. So looks like we got two different lengths for the grip. We got two different lengths for the stock. So let's see. That one looks pretty coarse thread, and this is fine thread. So yeah, our coarse thread is going to be our grip screw, and then our fine thread should match up with the one that we took out. Ta-da! Okay. So put that back in there. Keep it good. We have two different lengths. Why I have two different lengths, I do not know. Let's try. Let's see here. Put this on. And the star. Ugh. Send these up from the back. And that looks like it'll be the proper length. Let's see how it matches up with the stock. That is pretty tight. It's supposed to be that tight. Let's see if we can get everything to fit first. Maybe it's supposed to be tight. Yes, it is supposed to be tight. That makes sense. Oh. She's wanting to go. She's wanting to go. There's a little bit of a gap there, because she kind of doesn't want to go. Where's the tightness coming from? She's a little tight. Do I need to whack it on with a mallet? Alright, so you know, when it comes to assembling things, it's always good to kind of mock them together, just to make sure that they all fit together right before you start adding hardware and tightening things down. If you try to hand fit this adapter onto the receiver of your shotgun, it will not look or feel like it's going to fit. There'll be weird gaps there, and it's just hard to get it in place. But if you just take your hardware and put it on, just install it like normal, it will eventually tighten down. I'm going to be using their longer bolt, because they give you two. I'm using the longer one. I'm using their lock washer and their star washer that they gave me. I'm also going to add a little larger washer to it, just to give me a little bit more purchase. Just spread out the force on the adapter, feeding into the bottom. There it is. Okay, now I'm going to line it up, get the bolt into the receiver, and there we go. We're tightening down. Once you get it tightened down, magically everything really just seems to fit together and lock into place. And you can tighten this one pretty good, because all the threads here are metal. The threads in the receiver are metal. So really snug that sucker down. And now it's on. Okay. She's on there. There's a nice cutout for the safety. Everything fits nice. Okay. Alright. Now we've got our Hogue grip. going to put our bolt onto our tool. I'm going to feed it up to the bottom. Now, we're going to partially put the grip. Let's see. Partially put the grip on. Start threading it on. Now, the thing you want to be careful about with this is that the threads in the polymer adapter are polymer. So you don't want to strip those out. Oh, I lost it. Oh, shoot, there we go. There it is. Okay, you want to get snugged up there, get it hand tight, and then to give it another little turn to get it tightened in there. It don't take much, just do not strip out your polymer threads. Now our Hogue grip is on, okay? Now, next we're going to take our buffer tube, put our castle nut on it, and remember, put your castle nut on the correct way with the teeth facing rearward, or facing down. It's got to be all the way on. It's all the way on. Now we're going to take our buffer tube and carefully thread it into the adapter. Put it bottom out if you can. Alright. So we got it in there about as far as we can with some room to index. Get it clocked correctly. So you can see it's lined up with the handle. Now that that's on there, you want to take your wrench, and what we're going to do is we're going to go righty-tighty. And remember, while you're tightening this, you don't want to let your buffer tube spin on you. So if you have to, hold it in place. While you tighten this sucker down. Be very careful because it's kind of awkward. If you slip, you can scratch things up. Don't scratch things up. Still lined up. Oh, 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 oh. Tighten that baby as hard as you can so she can't come loose on you. There she is. She's on there, nice and tight, still indexed vertically. Alright, next we have our 6-position Hogue stock. I had to add some oil to the hinge and the spring so it's not so squeaky. I'm going to stick it on there on the end a little bit until it stops. It will only go so far before it hits the stop. And you got to lift up, push your button down, but then you got to lift your pin up even higher. Can you see that? To slide it on. And now it's on. And it ain't coming off unless I do that whole yank thing again. And there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All the way out. I'll put it right about there. And there you go. It's on. So, Ergo 870 20 gauge adapter attached to a Mil-Spec Ergo buffer tube, attached to my Mil-Spec Hogue and 6-position collapsible stock. And there we go. Different from the Raptor, much easier to aim. Tomorrow I should be receiving from Amazon the True Glow receiver red dot mount, 4-post Dr. footprint, and we will see how that goes. All right. Thanks for watching. Take it easy, YouTube.